Hi, I'm Jean Panikiefner, the Director of Sales at Thursby by Identiv. This is part 10 of our 12-part Sub Rosa for Android user guide series. In this video, we'll review how to create a message within the Enhanced OWA mail client in Sub Rosa. If you don't know what Sub Rosa is, or if you're not sure which app to download, I recommend checking out the first video in this series. A link to that is available in the video description below. Let's get started. To access the Enhanced OWA client, just browse to your web server, or if you've already done that, tap on the envelope icon. Creating a message works just like any other email client. To begin, tap the Compose button. The To field will automatically attempt to find the address you're typing in your local contacts and your address book stored in OWA. If this is your first time to use this field, you may see a prompt to allow access to your contacts. If you're in the middle of composing an email, but need to look at another one, Sub Rosa will prompt you to save the email as a draft. Tapping OK will save the email in your drafts folder. The email will now be available in your drafts folder when you're ready to resume working on it. If you do not wish to save the email to your drafts, simply tap No. To send the email, tap the paper airplane icon in the upper right corner. If you need to attach an item to your email, tap the paperclip icon to display the different locations available to pull the attachment from. If you access your photos, you may see a prompt asking to give Sub Rosa permission. In the Enhanced OWA client, you have the ability to sign, encrypt, and decrypt email. When composing a message, you will see two icons of envelopes at the top of the screen. The one on the left is to mark that you would like to sign the email, and the one on the right is to mark that you would like to encrypt the email. You can select both if you wish. When you are reading an email, you will notice a few basic options. In the top right corner of your screen are arrows that allow you to quickly move to the emails directly before and after the one you are currently reading. To reply to or forward an email, you can tap the icon of a return arrow in the bottom right of the screen. Tapping the three-dot menu in the top right corner will reveal options to print or delete the email, as well as mark it read or unread. To return to the inbox, simply tap the hamburger menu in the top left corner of the screen. If you have questions about anything you saw in the video today, or if you would like more information on our products, please feel free to reach out to us by phone or email. We'd be happy to answer your questions. In the next video, we'll talk about our calendar feature and the many options available there. Thank you for your time today. I hope you found this video helpful.